Everyone makes a big deal about having health insurance. But how exactly does it work? When you get health insurance, you or your employer pay a monthly premium. After you pay your premium, the money is added to a pool of premiums paid by all of the individuals covered by the health insurance company. This pool is then used to help pay for the healthcare needs of everyone covered by the health insurance company. Let's say you fracture your arm and need to receive medical care. After you receive the care you need, your provider will submit a claim to your health insurance company. Your health insurance will pay the portion of the charges they cover based on your plan using the money from the pool of premiums, which is why it is so important that everyone pays their premiums. An explanation of benefits, or EOB, will then be sent to you, explaining all the details of your medical charges. This will explain the amount your health insurance will cover and the amount of money you will be responsible for paying. It is important to note your EOB is not a bill. If you owe anything for any services you receive, you will get a bill. You should pay the charges on the bill. In this way, health insurance is a safety net to help limit the amount you owe for your health care, so you can focus on living your life to its healthiest.